Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and to a new video. Now ignore the background. I've got a lot of uni work going on, but that doesn't matter because today I'm heading to Thorpe Park for their Merlin Annual Pass day and I'm so excited. I've literally not been on a ride in like 3 months since December, so I'm so excited to be getting back on Hyperia and especially saw my favourite ride at Thorpe Park. So yeah, come with me to Thorpe Park, let's do this. First ride of the day is The Walking Dead. Woo! Yeah! She's ready, let's do this. And doesn't look like there's any queue either, so let's do this.
Hell yeah.
Review on The Walking Dead, Cara?
Really good. New characters at the end.
Yeah.
Love that.
And a brand new like entrance in the ride for the disabled people as well, which is amazing. It was a good ride, a great first ride. Not been on a coaster in 3 months.
3 months? I know, 3 months!
So, Ghost Train was meant to open at 12. It's opening at 1 now. We're very excited. And we are at the front, so we're going to get first train of the day. Yay. Okay. We're ready for Ghost Train. What time is it? It's
12 minutes past 1.
and we're still waiting.
We're still here.
We've been here since 12:30. It's okay. I think they don't know how long.
She doesn't want to wake up. She doesn't wake up. She's sleeping in. She's got to set her alarm.
Yeah, she's just like almost 2 hours late. It's okay.
It's alright. We still love her.
Yeah,
We love her.
we process, we move.
People work hard for her, you know?
What are we doing?
Ghost Train's open and so we're going. I think we're going to be on the first train.
Okay, we've made it, but we're hanging. Where are we hanging?
We're
We're hanging at the back. We're hanging at the back.
Stand right here.
It is 1:45.
1:45.
So it's open!
Here we go!
Bye! I really enjoyed Ghost Train there. Brand new like additions to the scripts as well, wasn't there? And extreme like scents, like the smell, loads of smoke. And I really, I think my favourite thing was that the new scripts like turnarounds, like really enjoyed that. And I think we're gonna maybe do Hyperia next, I don't know. We're in the main gift shop now. There's lots and lots of new merchandise, which is really awesome. This is what I did want to show you. The stealth skunk. Very cute, but I don't understand why a skunk. I have the Alton Towers version of this, the hot pink, but Thorpe have now got one. So, I'm in the Hyperia toilets. There are new soap and water signs. Just in case you didn't know. Heading in the Hyperium. Apparently there's a new teddy and I'm interested for what it is. I don't understand.
I don't know why.
I don't know what this has. It's cute, it's fluffy, but I don't know what it has to do with Hyperia.
Soft and cuddly.
If anyone knows what this little crow has to do with Hyperia, please let us know.
Because I have no clue, and
Has she worked here?
I worked here and I did that show and I have no idea.
Yeah.
But I mean, slay, get it?
Yeah.
Ooh, shop
Who's
also.
stealing? Some new coasters. These are cute. Like laminated almost. Like shiny. New pin. So Hyperia is down because of the wind, but we are getting in the queue for it now. And we're going to single rider it because why not, you know? Let's see how it goes. It's simple.
Should we give it 5 to
Once again, take your seat and hold up your lap bar as quickly as you can until it be checked by a member of the right team.
Don't know how well you can see it, but you can see loggers in the back there. The old trough that's been left in place.
More importantly, the bridge from platform 15
Yeah.
over the line.
It's not going to focus, but you can see that too.
smooth ride there on Hyperia. I think it was train 1, which is why it was so smooth. No headbanging, no nothing. I think actually the best ride that I've had on it, like, yeah, dare I say better than the opening day, because it was very smooth. It's time for a ride on probably one of my favourite coasters here on Park. So, I love it, it's my favourite here. I know it's very controversial, but it is my favourite. I love you, Jigsaw. Wow. Oh yeah, they are. That was actually not bad. Whee. It's a brand new donut planet here. Would have got one, but it's not open. But yeah, no donut time. This is what's here now. We had a very smooth ride there, surprisingly, on Soar, and now we're going to do Swarm. It's not very busy today, which is great. Really enjoying the day, but yeah, we're doing the Swarm now. Only 10 minutes for the Swarm, but it seems like a walk on. Got my ice cream.
This is it. There's no escaping the storm. Sit back, brace yourself, and pray.
We had an awesome ride there on the Swarm. I sat on the wing in the second row. It was so good. I really enjoyed it, and it was so smooth. So it's time for a ride now on Nemesis Inferno. 10 minutes, but it seems like it's pretty much a walk on. There's like no one waiting, but look how pretty the sky is. That was a walk on. We had a good ride on Nemesis Inferno, but we were coming over to Hyperia. It stopped in the brake section, so hopefully it's not gonna like be stuck this whole time. But yeah, we had a really good ride on a little Nemi Inferno there. It's personally not my favourite one. I do prefer Reborn, but hey ho. It's reopened. Got some. Oh, look at the new grass. Let's go. And look, there's barely. Really cute. The sunset is looking phenomenal. New grass. Another little look at the grassy area that they've done with the trees and the trees. Looks great, this new grassy area. Do you know what would be good? If there were some picnic benches on it and it was kept this nice. It's a dodgy angle, but there's quite a lot of people in the queue line, so I don't really want to vlog myself, but we've had a really good day so far.
Humble queen.
Humble queen. We've had a really good time so far, and like I said, we're doing that like sunset ride on Hyperia right now. And I'm very excited. I personally don't like Colossus, so I will not be going on it today. It stopped. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Please, please, please. It's made into the station over there, but this one has stopped here. No!
Hyperia is experiencing a temporary delay, and we hope to resume flights again soon. Hyperia is currently experiencing a temporary delay.
Gosh, well, maybe if it does, like, open back up. The sunset is no longer looking like a sunset, so it could be a night ride here. Okay, well, they've sent it, so let's hope it's going to continue rolling. which I cannot wait for. So we're on my phone now because the quality is better. But Hyperia Night Ride was so good. Yeah. Very cold. And now we're getting one more lap of Ghost Train. Okay, so we're heading to Ghost Train. There is no queue. She's running because it's going to be the last time she does it before she goes on our little cruises. But I don't actually think it's anyone in the queue.
Say bye to my friends. Feel like without saying bye.
Oh, so there is literally no one. Okay, so we might be getting a whole train to ourselves. That'll be so interesting. I think we might have our own Ghost Train. Dun dun dun. So we've now arrived at Common Services and had a bit of dinner, but I had a great day today at Thorpe Park. It was so much fun. I literally had the best time. We got on loads of rides. Everything was under like 10 minutes, apart from Hyperia, which was 50, and then it broke down, so it was like a little bit longer. It was really good. The vibes were immaculate, and we had the best last run on Ghost Train ever. Just the two of us.
I had the best time. It was so nice. Thanks, Sophia, for letting me join you. And yeah, last run on Ghost Train, it was just us two. It was so good. It was nice because I had some mates on there as well. I did 3 runs of Ghost Train today.
That's crazy.
All of them were so good. My second run had a lot of really loud, talkative children. So massive shout out to the team that were on board for that. They handled it so well. Like, I know it's hard, so yeah. But yeah, had such a great time. Hyperia was so fun in the dark.
It was. Hyperia, yeah, it was very good in the dark. It was a great fun, but I had a great day. Like I said at Thorpe Park, I'm so excited to be back. I missed it so much. Like just being on park for the vibes. So I can't wait to do it all over again very soon. But I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Comment, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys. I'm in Burger King and the tea time alarm's going off. Can you all hear that? I've quickly ordered my cup of tea.